What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I got here right in front of me the AirPods Generation 4. Now I am unboxing these because today is September 20th and unfortunately I was not able to get my hands on the iPhone in time because I slept in, and I'll just show you right here how long it's going to take to arrive. But in the meantime, I picked these up so I can give you guys a quick unboxing on these guys. I don't have an iPhone on me at the moment because I already got rid of my old one because I thought I was going to get the 16 in time. So I'll pretty much be just doing a quick unboxing for you guys to see and give you guys my first honest impressions of how I like the device in hand and what it looks like. Anyway, let's go ahead and give the box a bit of inspection. This is a much smaller box, if you can't tell by now, compared to like the usual. At least it feels smaller. It's more square. It just feels like an overall smaller box. We got the Apple logo right there. AirPods. So one thing I did want to mention about these Generation 4s, they come in two different variants. There is an active noise cancellation version. I might do a review on these to see how it actually turns out to be, because they are the ones that don't go in your ear, so I'm not too... I don't really think they're going to be too good with the noise cancellation. Anyway, there's one with noise cancellation and one without. So there are two different options. I got the ones with noise cancelling. These are going to run you about $189. Ah! Serial number! Anyway, let's look at the back here. Typical Apple stuff. Please recycle the box. Yeah, Apple, I will. Anyway, without further ado, let's just crack this puppy open. So, these pull tabs right here. These always peel so satisfyingly on these devices. Shout out Apple, I guess. Here we go. Let's get these open. Let me know if you guys are going to end up getting these. I was really hoping they were going to release another pair of like Pro AirPods, but I guess not. Designed by Apple in California. Okay, let's set this to the side, go through this. Okay. Well. We got all this junk, all our booklets and stuff. Is there anything cool on this? Okay, hold on. Before I say anything, let's look at this. Okay, so we got this booklet here. I believe this is just to tell you how to like pair it and all. And then these are all your like probably warranty information. Yeah, we don't care about that. What I do care about, I can't believe this. Apple, where is the charging cable? This does not come off. I could have sworn AirPods come with a charging cable. There's no way. Let me know in the comments below. Because the last AirPods I got was the second gens. I could have sworn those come with a charging cable. Are you kidding me? Alright, no charging cable. Fantastic. You know what? I'm not going to complain. I don't need a charging cable. I do not like... That's probably why this box was so small, to be honest. I should have seen it come in. It is what it is. Most of us already have charging cables anyway. It just kind of sucks. Here it is, right here. Get a nice little peel here. These are indeed USB-C, which is really nice. Let's see if I can get a nice peel. Oh, I already tore it. Alright, we're just going to tear it open. Okay, set that to the side. And there they are. Again, unfortunately, I don't have a second gen AirPod Pros on hand. I got rid of mine when I got my Galaxy Buds Pro. But here, taking a look at the case, to me, honestly, it feels a bit smaller compared to the Pros. I've never owned the third gen AirPods. But the case feels nice. Obviously, the Apple cases have always been nice. This feels exactly the same compared to the AirPods Pro case I had when I had that. Here we got USB-C. And I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, typically on Apple, what I've noticed on the Apple cases for the AirPods, on the back there's a little circle, like a button you can press to pair to like non-Apple devices easily. So if you're an Android boy and you want to use these, but it looks like they don't have that button on the back anymore. And what I've heard, correct me if I'm wrong, on the front of the AirPods themselves, there's a little like capacitive like button and whatnot, like where you can push and hold, and that'll help pair it or whatnot. That's what I believe they did, because otherwise, how else would you pair these with a non-Apple device? Anyway, pop these open. There it is. Yeah, I believe if you like push and hold underneath here, it'll be able to enter pairing mode. Okay, let's just take a look at these real quick. The case really sturdy. Oh, of course, before I take these out, we gotta do our magnet. Oh, that closed. So give them a little shaky shake. Make sure they don't come out. Now, This thing is kind of flimsy, so if you're like it closes very easily. It's not cheap, but it does close very easily. But overall, magnets are very strong. They're not easy to take, or excuse me, they're not difficult to take these AirPods out of the case, nor will they fall out of the case. Like, I'm giving this thing a good shake, and they are not coming out, no matter what. Always like that. That's an important thing. You gotta test these small little things. You know, these are tiny things that it may seem like, but it's something that can make a big difference when you own them every day. Anyway, now let's take them out and take a look. I'm sorry I don't have any reference for you guys, but I'll pull these up here so you guys can take a look at them. Here they are. I believe they feel a bit more circular. I've held 3rd gen AirPods before. I've just never owned them. But here's how they look. Give you guys kind of like the circle around. Yeah, it definitely feels more circular. I will definitely put these in my ears. Well, actually, matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and throw these in my ears right now. I'm not gonna hook them up or anything. I might save that for when I do a review. But I'm gonna do my head shake. I'm shaking my head. Oh, guys, these sound like problems in a good way. These are really nice. They fit very well. I was shaking my head. Wasn't able to drop them out. I personally, so one quick thing I wanted to kind of note out there, when I reviewed my Galaxy Buds 3, the non-pros, the ones that go in like outer ear as well, that kind of like rest in your ear, those were uncomfortable in my opinion. For some reason, the left one would just give my ear an earache for some reason. They sounded amazing, but they just weren't for me. These, however, fit beautifully. Like, these fit great. I really wish I had an iPhone on me right now so I can show you guys like the app and everything like that, but I'll save that for like a full review if you guys want me to do it on these guys. But that was just pretty much a quick unboxing. I wanted you guys to just take a look if you were looking and getting these, just trying to see what the differences are and point it out to you guys so you guys have an idea. Other than that, I'm really curious about the active noise canceling. I'm not too sure how it'll sound. I believe if you get the non-active noise canceling version, they are $129. Don't quote me on that. But there are 2 versions of this, as I said. Other than that, that's going to wrap up this video. We did a quick unboxing here of the AirPods Generation 4, and just wanted to point this out in case you haven't noticed, we do have a new light setup for these unboxings, so I'm really happy. Let me know in the comments below if it looks better. I know a few of my previous unboxings, because I do unbox these typically later in the night, I've had some issues with lighting, but let me know how you guys think about this video. But there we have it, guys. AirPods Gen 4. Let me know in the comments below. Will you guys be getting these AirPods? Man, take a look at that. Alright, thank you guys so much for tuning in as always, and I will catch you guys in my next YouTube video. Peace!